7. Benefits of drinking honey lemon water in the morning. Number 1. Boosts energy in the morning. It gives instant energy that will sustain you for a long time. Honey is an energy food, composed mainly of simple sugars like fructose and glucose, which burn to provide 64 calories per tablespoon. Number 2. It can help in fat burning. It seems to be entirely the doing of vitamin C in lemon. Nutrition researchers at Arizona State University have found that the amount of vitamin C in the bloodstream is directly related to fat burning both during exercise and at rest. Number 3. It helps detox the liver. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps manufacture glutathione. Now, glutathione is a natural antioxidant in the body which helps neutralize toxins and aids the liver in detoxification. Number 4. Aids in digestion and nourishes good gut bacteria. Citrus fruits like lemon are antioxidants, thanks to the vitamin C and flavonoids that help digestion and assimilation of food into the body. Number 5. It prevents and cures acne. There's nothing in honey lemon water that cannot give you a clean, young, and acne-free skin. Like we said before, honey lemon water helps flush out toxins and nourishes your gut. A good gut directly leads to good skin. Number 6. Fights throat infections. The honey lemon combination is especially wonderful in taking care of a throat infection. Honey has wound healing properties and can soothe a sore throat. Number 7. Boosts immunity and prevents diseases. If you fall ill frequently, honey lemon water is the best drink to start your day with. Citrus fruits like lemon are rich in vitamin C and phytonutrients that promote health and strengthen the immune system.